The 2007 Dodge Ram Pickup 1500. The Ram 1500 is the most awarded Ram truck ever. Its exterior styling rethinks and outclasses every truck out there. Bred for strength and intelligence, the Ram 1500's towing and cargo hauling capabilities come naturally. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, compass, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.